Moving up, Dynamic Love Supercharged, Pure Joy running on the outside and followed by Military Might, Chapel Guard, Musashi down on the inside, then comes Shining Gold, while Fold Your Arms is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the 900 meters post with Dynamic Love takes up the running, followed now by Pure Joy Supercharged racing in third, Chapel Guard racing in fourth, then by the Real Musashi running on the outside and moving up, Be Cool Military Might as they round at the 600. Now we have the lead belongs to Pure Joy, Dynamic Love Shuffle back in second, Supercharged racing in third as they race to the 450. Pure Joy this time by about 2 lengths. Dynamic Love Shuffle back in second, moving up by the Real Supercharged, and down the stretch they come. Pure Joy Supercharged by the Real. Dynamic Love is on the outside. Pure Joy Supercharged down on the inside. Supercharged Pure Joy is on the outside. Supercharged Pure Joy Shuffle back in second. Dynamic Love Be Cool, and finally at the finish line, Supercharged Pure Joy, Dynamic Love Be Cool, and Fold Your Arms close with Chapel Guard for your Pentafecta.